Children, this is one question I have taken for the concept of the relative velocity. Question is that a car A moving at 10 meter per second on a straight road is ahead of car B moving in the same direction at 6 meter per second. Find the velocity of A relative to B and vice versa. So if I am taking, this is the car A moving in this direction, and this is the car B, okay, moving with velocity VB in the same direction, and it is given that car A is ahead of car B. So the car A is ahead of car B, okay, in the same direction, moving in the same direction. So you have read a formula when the two objects are in motion and when they are moving in the same direction, so the relative velocity of one object with respect to the other object will be the difference of their actual velocity with respect to earth. So these velocity VA and VB, which are given 10 and 10 meter per second and 6 meter per second, these are the velocity of A and B with respect to earth, which is stationary, okay. But here you are getting the velocity of A with respect to B because both are in motion. Then in that case, this is the difference of the two velocity when the two objects are moving in the same direction. So here VA 10 and VB minus 6, 4 meter per second. Now you have got the positive velocity here, relative velocity of A with respect to B, that is positive. The meaning of this is that positive velocity VAB indicate that the driver of car B sees car A moving ahead from him at the rate of 4 meter per second. मतलब जो ड्राइवर यहाँ B में बैठा है उसको ये कार आगे जाती हुई दिखाई दे रही है, कितनी स्पीड से, 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से, ओके. नाउ सी द सेकेंड कंडीशन, रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी ऑफ B विद रिस्पेक्ट टू A. So relative velocity of B with respect to A, since both are moving in the same direction, again we will take the difference of these two. Now this condition we will take VB minus VA. जिसकी रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी निकालते हैं उसकी एब्सोल्यूट वेलोसिटी को यानी एक्चुअल वेलोसिटी को पहले लेते हैं और माइनस वाली करते हैं दूसरी को. देन you are getting 6 minus 10 because VB is 6 and VA is 10. You have got minus 4 meter per second, minus 4 meter per second. Now you have got the negative velocity, relative velocity VBA negative. What is the meaning of negative VBA? Negative VBA indicate that driver of car A when look at the back, he sees that the car B is moving behind, means the motion of the car B is lagging behind with the speed of 4 meter per second. मतलब कि ये जो कार A है वो आगे जा रही है और कार B, अब निगेटिव वेलोसिटी आने का मतलब कि इनके बीच का सेपरेशन बढ़ रहा है, जो आपने भी ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन में देखा था कि इनके बीच का नेगेटिव सेपरेशन इनके बीच का सेपरेशन इंक्रीज़ कर रहा है. तो सेपरेशन इंक्रीज़ कर रहा है तो इसका मतलब कि जो कार A में ड्राइवर बैठा है उसको ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये जो कार B है वो और पीछे जा रही है, कितने स्पीड से, 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से, ओके. तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, if you are getting relative velocity minus, it means one object is lagging behind the other object, the separation between them goes on increasing.